In this video, I will show you how to close your PayPal account and delete all your data from PayPal server. Let me show you how. Open up your browser to log into your PayPal account. And the next thing you want to do is to open up a new tab. Click on Google search, type in paypal.com and hit enter. Go ahead and click on paypal.com right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this three slider. Click on this setting icon. Slide this way. Click on data and privacy. Then scroll down right here. Click on delete your data / close account. Ask us to delete your data and close this account. We use your data to provide service. So if we delete your data, we'll also close your account. Scroll down right here and read the details. Then come down below right here. Go ahead and click on here. I understand that account deletion is permanent and cannot be reversed. Are you sure you want to close your account? Go ahead and click on yes. Continue. Get updates about your request. Choose your preferred email address to receive updates about the status of the account. So right here, go ahead and make sure you click on here. If you have optional mail, but there's no optional mail, leave this mail right here. Then go ahead and hit on continue right here. We are sorry to see you go. To help us, our service, please tell us why you want to close your account. Select all that apply. I have another PayPal account. This is my only PayPal account, but I don't use it. I'm concerned the data privacy, things like that. You can state the reason why you want to close the account. So I'm going to choose these options right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on close my account. So go ahead and click on close my account.